Hey guys, and welcome back to my workshop.
I'm gonna show you how I built this table with recycled wood and one power tool.
I got the Black+Decker EVO 185 MultiEVO. Let's unbox this and see what's inside.
Here we have the manuals, the jigsaw head, the sander head, the charger, and a battery pack. And this is the main power drill with the detachable head. Always read the manual first for some safety tips and how to install the jigsaw bit. Basically, you pull the lever down and insert the jigsaw bit facing outwards. To replace the drill head, you simply press and hold down on the button and pull out the component to replace it with the other. I started the project by cutting Palchino planks in half with the jigsaw. I then lined them up and clamped them down with some wood glue. After dried up, I used a nail and a string to act as a guide to draw a circle. A jigsaw is best for cutting different shapes and curves on wood and can be used for other materials such as metal and plastic. I then used the other half of the Palchino planks for the table legs. Switching back to the drill head, I screwed down some brackets on the tabletop and on the table legs. And it was onto the sander. The kit comes with a 60 grit sheet which you can use to smoothen down the table. Oh, and the battery life of a fully charged pack varies from around 20 minutes to an hour, depending on the type of tool you use. But that's why the kit comes with an extra battery pack so you can charge it while you're using the other one. To finish the project, I used some wood stain and polyurethane to give it an even shade and some waterproofing before screwing on the legs. And here is the finished product.
The Black+Decker multi-purpose MultiEVO tool is the perfect Christmas gift, especially for those who want to start DIY projects or those who just moved into a new house. And you can get this tool in most Ace Hardware stores here in the Philippines. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.